Hello friends, let's learn with Panku. Today we will talk about the English alphabet vowels. And you know that in English alphabet 5 vowels are there. How many vowels? 5. Number 1 E. Number 2 E. Number 3 I. And 4 O. Then U. Okay kids? But in this video we will talk about the only 2 vowels A and E. Now we will explain through an activity. Okay? Let's start. Yes, in this activity, you will have some pictures on one side and we will keep their correct names in front of those pictures. First, this is BAT bat. Okay, kids? And this is BAT bat. Okay? Very good. Next, this is BAG bag. Okay? Select the name. Yes. This is BAG bag. Yes, very good. Next, this is RAT rat. Okay. And this is RAT rat. Very good. Next, this is MAT mat. Put here. Very good. And this is MAT mat. Now, next, this is HAT hat. Okay, put here. And this is HAT hat. Very good. Yes, kids. We will talk about the another English vowel E. Okay. The first picture. This is BD bad. BD bad. Very good. Next, another picture PEN pen. Very good. PEN pen. Next, this is leg. And this LEG leg. Another one. This is HEN hand. Put here HEN hand. Very good. And the last key. KEY key. Very good. Please student, please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.